And welcome to another edition of Hiroyuki Terada, Diaries of a Master Sushi Chef. Hiro-san, how are you?
Hi, very good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon. So we have some people commenting about the microwave being closed all the time. Actually, it's being open all the time. Now we closed it once and for all. For all of you with OCD. Okay, Hiro-san, what are we doing today?
Yes, today we have another great recipe. It's with a shrimp. So we're gonna make a crispy, creamy shrimp.
Okay.
This is one of my favorite dishes at the Chinese restaurant.
Let's
Yes.
talk about the shrimp. Picked up at Whole Foods. It was about $20 a pound. You picked up at a pound. And this was $21.19, but this is just part of the shrimp, of
Yeah, I'm
course.
just using the 14 pieces
Okay.
for now.
All right, Hiro, what's the first step?
Yes, first step actually for just the ingredients,
Yes.
right? So here the shrimp, and I'm gonna use the broccoli, steamed broccoli. Actually, I'm gonna boiling broccoli, and then here the walnuts, and sauces. I'm gonna use the this is a condensed milk, and the mayonnaise, and the honey, and cornstarch on the shrimp,
Okay.
and the salt and pepper. That's
Okay.
it. Very simple.
All right.
Yes.
Very good.
Okay, first step actually I do boiling broccolis.
Right.
Yeah, actually I have only one gas stove like here, so.
All right.
So best way is actually doing the same time.
Yeah.
The fry stuff and this stuff at the same time. You work in the same time is really nice.
Okay.
I don't pass it off.
Now we just want to boil for just a short amount of
Right.
time.
The broccoli part is of course it's just for the garnish. So if you wanna put something else,
Okay.
that's good. Just heat off. Speaking up. Okay, next step with the shrimp. This shrimp actually it already took off the vein. Okay, so I'm gonna just cut a little more inside to make it kind of open.
And this will help the shrimp cook faster
Yeah,
too.
cook more faster too.
Yeah.
And the next one, I'm gonna quick put the salt and pepper.
Okay.
Okay, next step, then cornstarch.
Okay.
Put it in here, cornstarch. And this one.
Like you don't need to do an egg bath.
No, just the cornstarch.
Okay. Meanwhile, the yellow going on. Let's see how hot it is. 152 degrees.
152?
158. Temperature is 350 degrees.
Right.
I can eat just the fried shrimp by itself here. I don't need no fancy sauce.
Oh, you don't need the fancy sauce?
Yeah.
Yeah, I like actually shrimp tempura.
Yeah, I love it.
Shrimp tempura is my
And the tail too. I love the
favorite,
tail
yeah.
after it's been
when I was little.
fried up.
My mom started cooking the tempura.
Uh huh. Your favorite thing to
Yeah,
eat?
everything. And she also doing the oyster fried oyster too.
Oh, nice.
But after that times, I mean, when I was little, I hate oyster.
Oh, really?
No, I don't like it. I didn't like oyster.
Now, oysters, you would use a cornstarch as well?
It was she was doing the more like
Or more like batter, right?
more like a butter.
Yeah, I've seen
More
that.
like a tempura.
Okay.
But once I ate raw oyster half shell
Yeah.
at the French restaurant, then I really like the oyster. Then I started eating oyster.
Very nice. Now, how long do you fry it for?
Just all way cook, that's it.
Now, one thing we should tell everyone at home, make sure that when the shrimp you're about to fry, make sure you pat it dry and not so there's no water in it, right?
If you have water,
Yeah. It's gonna have a mini explosion in the hot oil.
especially here, you have to be careful. Even this one too, here has a water, you know.
Yeah.
If you want, you can take it off that this stuff.
Okay. Oh, the tail, right? I like the crunchiness of the tail. And these are not very
like that,
dry.
like that.
Okay.
Just take it out.
These are size 2630 again, which refers to how many pieces
Little
per
more
pound.
bigger shrimp will be nice too.
Yeah.
Yeah, actually the restaurant serving, they use the more bigger shrimp, right?
Yeah.
Okay, you know,
Nice.
like that. Okay, keep this on the side, and quick I'm gonna start making the sauces.
Okay.
I'm gonna use condensed milk, mayonnaise, and the honey. First I'm gonna put the mayonnaise. Almost mayonnaise and condensed milk is a 50-50.
Okay.
Almost same amount.
That looks about 4 ounces, right?
About the yes, almost like yeah, it's about 4 ounces. And the honey, actually this one as much you want to sweetness.
Okay.
So you need to adjustment.
A little more honey.
It's good. Just a little more honey. Very nice. Like that. Like that. Okay. I'm gonna put the shrimp in the middle like that. Okay, like that. And then I'm gonna start the broccoli around. And first I'm gonna put a little bit sauce first. Shrimp on top. Sauce. Okay, and then I'm gonna put the walnuts.
Wow. Looks
Okay,
so good,
that's
Hiro.
it. Okay,
So simple to do too,
creamy
you know?
shrimp.
Very, very
Appetizer.
nice.
Good appetizer.
Hiro, thank you so
Thank
much.
you very
I
much.
can't wait to try this. If you guys like this video at home, give it a thumbs up, comment below, share it, don't forget to subscribe, and make sure to hit that notification button and watch all of our videos from beginning to end. See you soon. Thank you, Hiro.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye-bye. And Hiro-san, to the best part of all.
Yes.
My favorite part, the tasting.
Parts.
Enjoy, Hiro-san.
Yes. はい、いただきます。
Yes. Itadakimasu.
Yes.
How's that shrimp?
It's good, good. Very good.
Let me try a piece. I'm going to take this piece here. Try to get this in focus so you guys can see it. I picked it up and let me tell you, the shrimp tail is very crunchy. Wow.
Oishii.
That is really good, Hiro. You want to hear something crazy? I never tried this at the restaurant.
You never tried this one?
I never tried this dish at the restaurant. I see it out because I've had it at other restaurants before, so never tried it when you made it. This is unbelievable. It's really, really good.